Hello out there YouTube friends, I'm Cindy and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today we're going to unbox and try on some items from Amazon Prime Wardrobe. So I did something a little bit different this time. I did not use the Amazon Personal Shopper, which you guys have seen me do before. The Personal Shopper is where you spend $4.99. They have stylists who style you based on style profile, yada, yada, yada. So this time I had found with the Personal Shopper that the items were a little pricier than what I had anticipated from Amazon. And I wasn't really having much luck with the clothing items that were fitting my style. So instead I tried Prime Wardrobe, which they have a certain selection of clothing items that are Prime Wardrobe specific. So I went there, found some clothing items that I liked. I think you can choose 8 items for them to send to you without charge. You try them on, you have 7 days to try them on, keep what you want, and you're charged for that for them, and then send back what you don't like. So I kind of like that option. It gave me the option to choose the items that I thought that I would like the best within a price range that worked better for me. So I'm going to assume that these are all individually packaged. So I'm going to unwrap everything and then I'll show you what I have. Okay, so we have a little mixture of everything in here. I've been looking for workwear, but I got on the Prime Wardrobe and I ended up finding a jacket and a pair of jeans. And so I've got a smorgasbord of different items to show you guys today. And then let me say that although the items came packaged separately, it was all part of the same Prime Wardrobe order, so I have the same amount of time to send everything back. You do have to be careful about your packaging because you do use the same packaging to send everything back. They do send you a little envelope here that says Prime Wardrobe. It gives you directions. It also gives you a label to send back, so I'll have 2 separate labels, and then it gives you a description of the item and the price on the back as well. So I am super excited about this, partly because I picked everything out. The bad thing about that is that I could potentially like everything and not be able to keep everything. Yikes. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing is just a basic jean jacket. I do have a jean jacket that I wear quite frequently, but it is not collared like this. I know it sounds weird. It's more of a, I don't know, it's just a different type of collar. And I liked the shade of this one and the fit of this one. So there is that. And then we have this beautiful, so soft, white cardigan button down. I guess you could wear it with something under it. You could also wear it without. It is very, very soft. It reminded me a lot of the Free People sweater that's currently on sale on the Nordstrom sale. Of course, the Free People one is not a cardigan and does not button down, but it has that pretty V-neck. It's the same color. It's kind of that fuzzy material, so I'm really excited about that. That would look cute layered over stuff for work and with jeans. Speaking of jeans, here we have a pair of Lee Riders, very cute ankle length jeans. There's very little distressing up there near the pockets. And then you have this really cute raw hem cuff. So I like that a lot. Then we have, I think this is a dress. Yes. So this is a very pretty maroon and white polka dot wrap dress. Looks like it's about a half sleeve at the elbow. There is a belt. Like I said, it is a wrap. Very, very pretty, very chic. Again, the bad side of this is that I might like everything. All right, another dress. This is a very pretty light blue, very feminine. It's eyelet and lace. It looks like it is lined, which is a good thing. It has this really cute sleeve here that kind of poofs out. I don't know, it looks very feminine and very cute. This is a new color for me. All right, I'm excited about that one too. I did good so far. Now we just have to see if they all fit. I can't remember the prices either. I want to say I tried to keep everything under $50. All right, another dress, very pretty fall collar, kind of like a rusty brown collar, spaghetti strap. The buttons in the front look like they are working buttons, but I love that detail there. The buttons are very pretty. The straps are adjustable. Would look very cute with that cardigan or other cardigans in the fall. With boots too. Boots, sandals, booties, you name it. All right, pair of dress pants that I did not get a top to go with, so I will probably try it on with the cardigan. These are Lee brand dress pants. They're like a grayish, very small plaid. They look like a straight leg, but I just need some pants for work, especially as it starts to get cooler. I mean, I wear a lot of dresses with knee-high boots, but I like to have a few pair of pants as well. And then our last item is just a very casual tiered dress. Again, buttons down the front. This one is long sleeve and kind of a greenish turquoise color. All right. I'm excited. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have dress number one. I think we're going to go through the dresses first. Love the collar, love the v-neck, love the tiered, love the pockets. It comes right up above the knee. I'll show you that in just a second. The buttons are not working buttons. They're not functioning. They're just decorative. It feels a little bit snug here in the chest area as well as under the arms. The arms themselves fit okay. They don't feel tight. They're not pulling tight. The back is a little bit snug as well, so I'm hesitant there with the back. I will show you here what that looks like. So otherwise, I think it fits me well. I think the silhouette is flattering for me. You know, it's fitted here and then flares over everything, all of those problem areas. And the fact that it has pockets is always a bonus. So I will try to link everything down below. My affiliate links aren't working right now, but I hope to get those back up and working soon. But if I don't have the links, I will have a description of what the item is so that if you want to order these items, you can as well. There you can see the length. It is right up above the knee. Very flattering length. Very cute. I don't feel like it's too baby dollish to where I look like I'm pregnant. So again, I'm not sure about this one because of the back. But I like the collar. I like everything else about it. So I'm going to do a look-see-loo at the footage when I'm finished here and see where I want to go from here. All right, next dress. Okay, so as you can see, dress number 2 is a little bit tight. So this one is going to be a no. But what I do love, I love the collar. I think it's a very flattering collar for me. So I will be looking for some other items in this collar. I do like the button details. These are working buttons. As you can see, they are quite snug. These spaghetti straps are adjustable, which is a plus. It is very tight under the arms here. And as you can see, it's just very tight all the way around until it gets more flowy down here at the bottom. So a little too tight here, a little too tight here. But I will go ahead and do the turnaround. Sorry for what you're about to see, but it is what it is. So again, I like the collar. The length of this is hitting right below the knee. I'll pan down so that you can see that. There you can see the length is right below the knee. Again, a very flattering length. Just a little bit too snug. All right, next dress. All right, so here we have the next dress. So I love the idea of this dress. So I don't know if I just need to reevaluate my sizing on Amazon or if things are just running small, maybe a little bit of both. I do always try to check the sizing charts to make sure that I'm getting the right size for me. So I don't know, I need to do a little bit better with that. So because it is a little tight. Again, I think it's a very flattering look. I like the collar of this. I think this is really, really super cute. It's an eyelet sleeve, and you can see it's got lace all the way down through. Very pretty. It's got a band here to define the waist, and then it just kind of flows. It's not too flowy, but it is lace, that eyelet all the way down. Would be very pretty, I mean, for work, for a graduation, for, you know, some other type of spring, summer, wedding even. So let me show you the length. Well, let me show you the back. I'm unable to get it all the way zipped, but I will go ahead and show you the back. So again, very pretty. I'm very disappointed that it's too small, but I will show you the length and we'll go from there. So there you can see more how from the waist down, it just kind of flows there, not too flowy, but just flowy enough to where it covers those problem areas, and it hits right below the knee. Very beautiful dress. All right, let's try today. So last dress. I knew that this dress was going to be form-fitting. I don't have a problem with form-fitting dresses, but this one is, again, a little bit too tight. I love the V-neck. I love the collar. I love the polka dots. I think it's very cute and very classic. I love the wrap style. I love how this kind of flows and covers all of these problem areas. It does tie in the back, and in the back you can see all the humps and bumps, and I'm not a fan, so I will show you that. And it almost feels like, and I don't know if it comes through very well here on the screen or not, but I feel like the front and the back panel are two different colors slightly. Maybe that's because it's stretching a little bit more in the back to cover the bum, and it's maybe a little bit more see-through back there. So if you saw anything that you didn't want to see, I apologize. So again, very cute in collar and style, but it's not going to work for me, so bummer. All right, let's try on the pants and the sweater. I'll be right back. All right, so here we have our sweater and our first pair of pants. So the sweater is beautiful. I love it. I'm not sure how I feel about it from the back. Again, I'll take a look at the footage when I'm finished here, but very pretty V-neck. It is super soft. I love the gray buttons. I'm going to get a little closer here and see if it'll focus. They're a very light gray, and I don't know if you can see, but the sweater is just very, very fuzzy and very comfortable. I love the way the gray of the buttons kind of blend or brings out the gray in the pants. So I feel like you could wear this together without any problem. So let me show you the back. The sleeves are a perfect length. You could also ruche them up if you wanted to, if you like that look a little bit better. You could also roll them if you wanted to. But I feel like this is a pretty good length for me as well. It's not oversized by any means, but it's not tight. I feel like it fits me the way that it's supposed to. Again, I do want to look at the back and see from there. But let's talk about the pants a little bit. So the pants fit perfectly. They are more of a dress pant, which is what I was looking for. They are kind of a straight leg, so you could wear them with boots, booties, heels, wedges, whatever. And I feel like they would work for both fall, spring, and winter. So I'll pan down so that you can see what the cut of the leg looks like a little bit better. And I wish that you guys could see the pattern a little bit better. I'll try to get a better close-up of the pattern whenever I do the wrap-up. So there you can get a better idea of the cut of the leg of the pant. And you can see there that you could wear a good size heel with it and they would be completely appropriate, not too short, not too long. Let me know what you guys think of these. See from the back. I always like to make sure things are flattering from the back when I'm walking away. All right, let me know what you think. I'm excited about these two. All right, I'll be right back. We have the jeans and the jacket, so I'll just keep on the sweater because I like it. All right, okay, our last two items from this prime wardrobe. So we have the jacket. This is from Wrangler, which I do like. It is a stretchy type of denim, so it's not real hard or uncomfortable at all. I feel like it fits me nicely. If I wanted to button it, I probably could, but it would be a little snug with something underneath it. So as much as I like it, and I like the collar and the fading, I'm just not sure. I think I would probably want to size up one just because I want to wear something underneath it. Not that I would wear a really heavy sweater, but probably something similar to this sweater or something like that. So, and I'm not sure that this jacket would be conducive to doing that. But I do like the collar. I like the style. I'll show you the back. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe I'll try it on with just a t-shirt and see what I think about that. I mean, not that this sweater is real heavy or anything, but obviously it's heavier than a t-shirt. So I have on the jeans, and the jeans are going to be a no-go. They are more of a low-rise or mid-rise, I'm not sure, but I'm already yanking them up. I feel like I don't know, I almost feel like it's a low-rise, like you're going to be able to see, like if I had a tattoo there on my back, that you would be able to see it. That's how far down that goes back there. So they're tight up here, they're tight down the legs. I like the ankle length with the cuff down there.